Okay, so take 3 now because I keep messing it up. I'm gonna start my food project. So I just bought everything from the store right now. It was around, $10, around that. What I was explaining in the previous video, I am gonna cut this in half. This is ground beef. I'm gonna throw it in the microwave. I'm going to use this as my pasta. I'm gonna have some Parmesan cheese to top it off at the end. And then this is my sauce, the roasted garlic, because we love roasted garlic. So what I did is I said, give me a second, and then I killed the video off. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this. I started taking it out already, but I guess I messed up the video. So I'm not gonna use these. These are not really needed for my recipe. So I'm either gonna throw them away or I'm just gonna leave them, I guess we'll never know. And then I'm gonna cut this in half, which I'm really just gonna do. Because we don't really need this much ground beef, honestly. I could do with a quarter of this, and it would be perfectly fine, honestly. I don't really need that much ground beef because it's not really gonna cook completely. I'm just gonna move this off to another plate, just because why not? Okay, so I'm gonna move this to the center. I'm gonna mash it up a little bit so it's a little bit more even. And see, that's still a lot of ground beef. That's crazy. Okay, I'll put this here just for a little bit. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna throw this in the microwave for a little bit. But if you want to do this now, you can. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna ignore the messy background. What I'm gonna do is just sprinkle a little bit of salt, seasoning in there. Paprika, I mean, I think I spread a little bit too much. So ignore that. That's okay. It'll all come back in the very end. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine, Ref. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be all okay. I spread a little bit too much. Holy shit. Oh my god, I spread a little bit too much. Okay. Okay, so now we're just gonna put this in there. And then after that, get this out. I'm gonna put this. Actually, I'm gonna prep this first. Okay. All I did was just put a little bit of water in there. You know what I'm saying? And then I'll seal this. Make sure it's sealed a little bit. I think I'm gonna actually just. You know what? Here we go. I'm just gonna throw this in here. So let's throw it in for 3 minutes. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Throw this in the microwave for 3 minutes. See, 3 minutes. Okay, it just came out. I'm just gonna leave that down there. That's hot. Jesus Christ. Okay, ground beef. Put some here. In the microwave. I know I think I said 3 minutes, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna take at least 5 minutes. Took it completely, so see you in 5. Okay, this should be the finished product of the noodles. No, I didn't put anything in there, so just noodles and water. So all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna dump all this water out because I don't need it at all. So I'm gonna do that, show you the final product. This is what it should look like, chopsticks, so just dryness. Okay, now we can check the ground beef. So, Jesus Christ. Dude, that's burning. But as you can see, the whole ground beef is cooked. No, it does not look as appetizing, but we are doing this in a microwave. So, it is what it is. Give me 2 seconds. Okay, so that one really wasn't necessary. So, all I'm going to do is I'm going to take these out. Use your fork. I take all this pasta, dump it into this container. Which honestly, I could just do this. I could honestly just do that. And then just dump it all in there. You can see, pretty decent amount of noodles. I'll take this ground beef. As you can see, that is all cooked. It's not the best appetizing thing, but it's all cooked. It's Pretty easy, you know, just throw it in. And like I said, it's pretty easy. So, you know, right now I'm gonna do that, but now we go up to here. Can't do this. Just take a little bit of this off. Put on top, you know, just have a little bit nice sauce there. Love the garlic sauce. And then take a little bit of Parmesan cheese, you know what I'm saying? Just gonna dump a little bit of that on top. See a little bit, but can't do that. I'm gonna start cleaning up a little bit because who likes a dirty kitchen? So now we're gonna go over here, put it in here for like a good 30 seconds. See you in 30. Okay, this is going to be the finished product. I am gonna let this sit a little bit because that is going to be extremely hot. But no, come on over here. A fork. Break it up a little bit because you know things just come together. Just do this. Bam. Bam. This is what the bite's gonna look like. I'm gonna put in my mouth, so. And that is how you make pasta with red sauce and ground beef out in the microwave. Thank you for watching.